How to extract audio from a video in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can extract audio from a video in Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Canva and after that, upload the video from where you want to export the audio from. So once you have the video in the timeline, now to export the audio, or extract the audio, click on the video at the top on this interface, right click there, and under here there's an option as extract audio, click on it. Now wait for a while. Here you have your audio and your video. So this is the audio extracted from the video. Now if you don't want to keep your video from this, here you have to click on the video, click on the backspace key, and there you go. Now the video has been deleted and only the audio is there. If you want to add some other overlay, you could also do that. Go to your uploads and then select any pictures or any other video that you want to add. For now, I will just add one of the picture right here. Now there you go. This image has been added. You could resize it and then add overlay as the video for your extracted audio. Now export it. That's it. That's how you can export audio from a video in Canva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.